Hello, what's up YouTube? My name is Anu Srivastav and today I'm going to talk about the 5 hacks that mentally strong people use to achieve success, to achieve what they want in their life. So without any further wasting time, let's get started. Okay, the hack number 1 they use is to regulate their emotions. This refers to the one index that is emotional quotient. Okay, emotional quotient is very highly required kind of skill these days because there are so much of grief and unhappiness around us that even the high skilled professional tend to be affected by the emotions from their family loved ones. So this is the one of the most important and desired skill among the professionals, that is to regulate their emotions, and this skill is mastered very efficiently by mentally strong people. So the first hack is they regulate their emotions. Hack number 2 is they regulate their thoughts. They control what they are thinking. They don't want to think that is not useful to their business, to their career. So they confine their thoughts to a limited volume so that they can achieve their target. So then they can expand their thought to even much larger picture. So the hack number 2 comes out to be they regulate their thought. Hack number 3 is they take action. They take action depends on where they invest their focus. This leads to the hack number 4. I'll talk about it. Hack number 3 is they take massive action towards what they want to achieve short-term goals, that is their target or goal. Okay, so this can happen only when they regulate their thought, they control their emotions to a certain product, to certain service they want to provide to your customers. So this leads to taking massive actions from them, and this is the so-called reason for their success. Okay. The hack number 4 happens to be the focus. This has to be hack number 3. So let's talk about hack number 4. Focus, finishing the task. They are so obsessed about finishing a certain task or finishing a certain project they are working on. They don't like to stop working on certain project in the middle. What they start, they finish it. This is very important quality of a high skill professional or high achiever out there. So you must copy. Hack number 4 has to be copied. That is, they take action and they are obsessed about finishing the task. Okay. Last but not the least, the hack number 5 is they practice gratitude. What they want, what they are getting, and what they have achieved. They are very much of gratitude, very much of fulfillment with the present and with their past, and happens to be very optimistic about their future. This hack is not so practiced among people, among us, that we are always complaining about we don't have this, we don't have that. But this does not happen with the high achiever, with the very successful person. They always practice gratitude, they always practice fulfillment with their life, which keeps them with the harmony of the present and the optimism of the future. So these are my 5 studies. I'll love to know what you think about them and what else they do to it. So do let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.